Yes, now we are going to do an adventure tour. This was the way to the jungle. Views, now we're going to see beautiful mountains. Now we are entered into a trekking site. Now we are parked our bike over here. This was the entrance. Fishes was inside on this one. Very beautiful to see that. We are climbing a mountain, see a waterfalls. It was very beautiful. This is my friend, and he also water vlogger. The temperature is so high, we are getting his sweat.
I'm too cool.
And my friend is saying he was very cool. Morning we not yet having a breakfast and so tired. And you see guys, there is a monkeys over there. And backside of me, the beautiful view which you guys are seeing. Now we are going to see a waterfalls. At last we should have to walk till 1 kilometer, and many ups and downs are coming, and I am get very thirsty to drink water, and I am so tired. It was full of nature, and you guys see that that monkey and any other item was having in our hand means that monkey was taking away. Tourists are visiting. Today was very less crowd over here. In weekdays, in weekends, in weekdays there is a crowd was very less, and sorry to say that. And snakes also there in this place. Behind me there is one of the junction over here, and they all are bathing here. And this was one of the part like a swimming pool in this area. And okay, let us move on to the waterfalls. On the way we touched this part of flowing water. Do you guys see that rocks over here? And these rocks are helpful to walk on this, but I will not walk. Okay, when I fall down means my clothes will be very wet and very uncomfortable, so I will not do like that. And this was one part of our on the way, and more half kilometer is there to reach the falls, which we are enthusiastic to see that. And okay, let's walk more half kilometer. And I am standing on the rock, which you guys are seeing me now over here. And this is my friend. He was also a vlogger. See that we are standing there. And this side the water will flow down, and and this side the water was falling on the up. Water was flowing over up to down, and this side the water was going down, which we see the guys are bathing over there, and that the place the water this water will go and store over there. Okay, let's go. We are slightly refreshing. This is a chicky we are eating. More 300 meters are there to reach falls, and do you guys see that big rocks over there, and big rock was mounted over there, and back side of me views, and you guys seeing that, and this is big tree, very beautiful to see, and let's go more 300 meters. Hello guys, at last we reached waterfalls over here, and this side people are walking over here. At last we reached the area, and this was the waterfalls. Behind me you guys are seeing it. The government was banned to climb over this mountain due to some people are falling down, taking a risk, so the government was banned to climb this. Hello, yes, now we are returning to our exit point, and sorry to say this, government people are restricted to climb the mountain, which the falls was flowing down, because some suicide attempts were done in the spot. So kindly I'm sorry to cover that video. At last we reached the exit point. So much beautiful to say that, which this place was a beautiful experience that I shared to you guys. At last we completed the ride, and one more time I will come this place at this after 3 months, and we reached our bike was there. Okay, let's move on.